To use keyboard glide typing on Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to activate this option in the settings. Go to System, Keyboard, Keyboard Apps, and Gboard. Find the glide typing, activate most importantly glide typing, and then you can choose whichever options you like below. When your glide typing is active, you can open your keyboard, and to actually use it, first you will need to form a word. So let's write a simple word, dog. Then we need to start by the first letter and touch it with our finger. Don't lift the finger until the word is written. Just slowly move between each letter in the word, stopping on the specific letter next. That should be next. So we're gonna go for dog, as I said, and it will look like this. And that way we just wrote that word. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.